Hey guys, so today we are outside. I am on the deck and I'm going to do a little sprucing up on the deck today for some outdoor entertaining from summer to early fall. I will also be switching out my curtains. I received some outdoor curtains and I'm going to unbox them and get them hung. So in my last video, some of you guys asked if I had experienced any mold on my curtains. And at the time, I had not experienced mold, and I had not experienced mold in the previous years. But after that video, the deck makeover video, it rained nearly 2 weeks straight. At least it seemed that way. So there was a lot of moisture on the curtains, and even though we opened the curtains to try and let them like air dry, we still noticed these little dark spots. I don't know if you can see on the camera, and so I'm assuming that that is the mold that you guys were speaking about. And so when the curtain company reached out to me about outdoor curtains, I thought this was the perfect timing. So I did want to let you guys know about it in case you guys were interested in hanging these yourself. So we're going to switch these out, and then I will be setting up a nice tablescape from summer to fall. I have some beautiful colors that I picked up recently, and then some colors I had already, and I'm just loving this plum color, this purple, and this kind of magenta and plum. There's a lot of different hues of purples and pinks mixed in with a little bit of the green, and so I'm going to be doing a tablescape using those colors. And so I also received these napkins from a YouTuber, and her channel name is called MartikaJMakes, and Martika made these napkins, and she asked if I would use them in a tablescape, and I was very happy to do so because these colors are beautiful, and I thought this was the perfect color for my summer into fall tablescape. So I will be using these on the tablescape, and then I will leave some information for Martika's Etsy shop. She does make these napkins, and she has some beautiful ones in her Etsy shop now that you can take a look at for maybe your fall tablescape. So let's go ahead and move into unboxing the curtains so we can see what those look like, and then I will go ahead and set up the deck. Okay, so I ordered 6 different panels, and that's funny that they came in 6 boxes, 6 separate boxes. So let's go ahead and see what they look like. Now the color that I ordered was a grayish white, which seems like it was a good choice. Okay. Ooh, they're soft. From the package, they look like a cotton twill, but they are very soft. And I ordered the tab top curtains. I wanted to, they did come in a choice of grommets, but I thought this might work well with my existing setup. So I'm hoping that I don't have to go out and buy a pole or anything. I'm hoping I can just clip these right on to my existing clips that are already out there. So we'll see how that works. But yeah, they're really pretty, very soft. And I ordered, I think they were 54 by 108. Okay, so this is what they look like. For a minute I thought I had a little dirt on it, but that was debris from the box. But yeah, they're very pretty and very soft. So these curtains are waterproof and they are thermal insulated and they are blackout curtains. And they come in several different colors. You can see the tab top. That's how they can be hung on a pole. But I'm going to try and do a different installation here at my home, but that's how they can be hung. And like I said, they do come in several different colors. There's a teal blue, there's a gray, a navy blue, black, and so many other colors. There's more neutral colors. There's the tan. There's even a pretty mocha. So that lots of colors to choose from. So what I plan on doing is to, I'm not going to use the tab as they are like this. They have a little Velcro tab and you would just slide a rod through here. So I'm not going to use it that way because I don't want to get into purchasing a rod at this time, but I probably will, but I'll do that later in the season or maybe next year. But for now, I'm just going to fold the tab down and clip it on the end here like I have the other ones installed that are out there now. And so yeah, I'm gonna try and hang it that way and see if that works. So I'll let you know. So like I said before, these curtains are really nice. I can't believe that these are outdoor curtains because the fabric resembles an indoor curtain. And so yeah, I will be very pleased if these work for outdoors. But because of the outdoor curtains look so nice, I am considering getting some for the indoors. I had mentioned to you guys that I wanted to get color for the inside for the fall season. So yeah, this just may be what I end up ordering for my breakfast area. So I'm going to put a really quick floral arrangement together using some faux flowers. Now you can totally use fresh flowers outside, but in my case I found some really pretty floral picks at Nebraska Furniture Mart when I was out there, and I just thought these colors were beautiful and I wanted to use them, and so I'm using the faux flowers today. These I picked up from Nebraska Furniture Mart it's probably been a couple years now. And then I'm just gonna add some faux eucalyptus and some type of a berry of sort. Okay, and then this lavender bush I had outside already, and so I'm just going to use it as my base. I did pick out a floral container that I usually use on the inside, but for this situation I'm okay with bringing it outside. So this is pretty quick and easy. I'm just going to do something very simple, but yeah, just bring in all these beautiful colors. So the minute I decide to do the tablescape, it looks like rain. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick look, and then I'll take the tablescape inside. I didn't even have a chance to light my candles, but that's okay. We'll come back another time and do a fall tablescape. Okay guys, so I don't know if you can see the color from here, but the curtains look beautiful. Up close it has a beautiful gray serene look, and I just love the way it turned out. And don't forget to stop by MartikaJMakes, that's her Etsy shop name, and take a look at the rest of her napkins that she offers. As well as stop by her channel if you like making clothes and home decor items. She is on the move. And thanks again, Martika, for sending over the beautiful napkins. And I also want to thank the KGORGE Curtain Company for sending out these beautiful outdoor curtains. I definitely recommend these guys. So if you are in the market for outdoor or indoor curtains, check out the link that I will provide in the description box. So thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you at the next video. Bye-bye. If anyone is wondering, the utensil bag came from Hobby Lobby. I believe it was last year spring, but it could have been this year as well. And the plates came from Hobby Lobby this year. I shared them in a haul earlier this season. And the centerpiece items here, they are all from Nebraska Furniture Mart, including this beautiful vase. I snagged that when I was last at Nebraska Furniture Mart for $16.99. And ironically, all of the pink or plum items came from Nebraska Furniture Mart. I guess it's something about that store and that color.